I was at the doctor's appointment today, getting my blood drawn. To see if I'm anemic and see if I'm pregnant or something. And then I realized I was gonna need a VA soon enough because I got my head blown off in the Army regime. And when I was doing the barracks. Because I really didn't, when I got married to Michael Sarah, I really didn't want to join the Army. But I had to because he begged me to. And there's really no choice for me besides that. But I know they prayed for me before. I need to go up there and I need to actually sit and spend time with my spiritual self. And I know with my new job, my fashion design job, my designer bags fashion design job, and so sexy, so smooth and sexy, I'll be able to afford healthcare insurance in order to go there. But I wanted to talk about how having the back of my head having a pipe stick out of it affected my driving because I can't have my higher level thinking anymore. And it really affected me when I took my Zyprexa because I used to have thoughts upon thoughts upon thoughts when I was laying in bed late at night about my artwork and about my creativity. But I don't have that anymore. Even when I drink coffee, it doesn't really seem to help. But I have wonderful thoughts about creativity and art. And I still have images, but they're not like so flamboyant because I'm running out of energy in a weird way. Corgan, I know you didn't want to say that, but you have to. But like, I know I'm gonna always have art because God gave me art because like I love Him so much for getting me through this. And I was also on the 9/11 attacks plane. But I know I can't make complicated decisions like making a barista or doing things like that. Whereas I used to be able to do everything that my heart and soul desired. But I was just really confused a lot of the times based on the fact that I couldn't remember my memories. And I think it was because of that explosion. And like, I tried making coffee at home, but I couldn't like do it. And like, I'm scared to learn how to drive because like I can't like, I don't want to like injure myself. I don't want to like start anything, and I don't want to like prepare for something that could be life altering and life ending. Yeah, and it led to my instinctual impairments because that's why I feel like I have a hard time with my driving is because my instinctual impairments, but at the same time, like I feel like I'm supposed to be driving, so like I'm scared to like understand it because I'm always sitting in an upright position in my head. I have like the lingering feeling of sitting in the upright position in my head, like I'm supposed to be driving places and doing things, But that's why when I used to walk, I would like have like, I know it's really really wrong, but like I used to get picked up on the side of the street because it was raining because I was walking for over 5 miles a day, and I was walking over 40 miles a week. So like, um, I get like picked up on the side of the street because it was raining and it was hazardous to me. And like I would get picked up by my fellow classmates, and I know it wasn't very instinctual, and I know I was really really wrong, but that's kind of like, and I know it's wrong. I have to say something. I think she's trying to say she needed it. I wanted my heart and soul to learn how to design, but my fashion sense wasn't really the one that was going with the right thoughts. I just wanted to be able to be in a car, but I also wanted to get done what I needed to do to make sure that I actually survived my classes. But I couldn't always take buses and I couldn't always do that because I couldn't always prepare for when I was going to be going and coming home. But by the end of it, I tried to make sure that I was doing it mostly on my own, like walking in the blizzards and the um, walking in the blizzards and walking in the pouring rain, thunderstorms, and lightning and stuff like that. But my legs hurt so bad now from walking for so long of a time because I used to walk from um, the coffee shop back home. What is it called? It's not Olive Garden. It's not Starbucks. It's not Chipotle. It was Panera Bread, and